Ocean Wave 15. We have in Costa Rica, Pavones wave. They are trying to build huge town around the wave. So that's the proof I mentioned many times. Let's do it responsibly. Let's look after the environment. Let's do it social, because they are throwing away a lot of small business, a lot of hotels and houses around the Pavones, Costa Rica. That's not social. And let's have a good governance. Governance means that there must be parks, it must be ecological wave, ecological environment, and it's very important that this ocean wave video is really spread out, like and subscribe Candina News, because the impact we can have towards the perpetual surfers, because waves never erase, will continue, and the seas will grow. So it's very important to find out how they do this in Pavones, because it could be Pichilemu, it could be Iquique, Rica, the whole Chile coast, the whole Peru coast, it could be the whole Atlantic coast of Brazil, Argentina. We could have a lot of Caribbean islands with spots made, tailored and developed towns, and every 300 meters we could have 300 jobs, direct, indirect, other 3,000, total 3,300. Imagine perpetual corporate social, responsible environment, social governance, jobs and the business all around a very competitive and very healthy, zero fat, no, let's say 10% fat human population in 3,000 years. And that's something we can live today. If you like and subscribe to this video, and you really think about how about the north coast of Spain, Portugal and the Canary Islands, and please clean the waters in the Canary Islands too, because they're very dirty. I've seen that before, and it's very important that this video is spread out so that we look after Costa Rica, because it has a huge potential, as well as El Salvador. Gracias for declaring that surfing is really future and protecting the waves throughout the planet. But if we make one wave, it's 3,600 jobs perpetual. Just please, politicians, calculate a little bit. Don't go surfing. Thank you. Bye.